Hello students, this is Sindhu from BCom PA department. In this video, we are going to see about the audit framework and regulation. In that, we are going to see about the audit regulatory environment of external audit and appointment of director, removal of an auditor, then rights, powers and duties of an auditor. So, external audit are governed by the Companies Act of 2013. Professional standard is issued by the Institution of Chartered Accountants of India and Exchange Board of India and Corporate Government Act. Company law, in that government governed mainly by the Companies Act of 2013. In that there is an appointment and removal powers and duties and liabilities of an auditor, prescribes a mandatory audit required for the company. Professional standard issued by the Institution of Chartered Accountant of India ensures uniformity and quality in audit practice. Members must comply with the code of ethics. So, issued by the Institution of Chartered Accountant of India ensures the uniformity and quality of audit practice. Members must comply with the code of ethics. Appointment of an auditor. Auditor is appointed as per the Companies Act of 2013. First auditor appointed by the board of directors within 30 days of incorporation. Subsequent director auditor appointed by the shareholders of that company at the annual general meeting. Then by tender, gently appointed for 5 years, subject to application of ratification rules. Ratification means sudden change. After doing change, it will be implemented in the meeting. That is called as a ratification. Then mandatory rotation applicable to prescribe the classes of companies, ensures auditor independence, prevents long-term association threats, and eligibility and qualification of auditor. To be appointed as an auditor must be a chartered accountant, must not be disqualified under the act, must provide written consent, certificate of eligibility, must satisfy the independent requirement, should not hold the prohibited relationship with the company. So eligibility and qualification must, as per I said, he must be a chartered accountant, must be comes under the act, must provide a written consent and certificates of eligibility, must satisfy the independent. Removal of an auditor. An auditor can be removed before the expiry of the terms by passing special resolution with the period approval of central government where required. Auditor must given as a reasonable opportunity of being heard. So then importance of an auditor. The auditor to protect the shareholders and the investors, ensure reliability and financial statement, enhance a corporate governance, maintain public confidence in financial reporting, prevents fraud and misstatement. If you want, I can also prepare detailed about removal of an auditor and powers and duties of an auditor. If an auditor is removed by the company in annual general meeting, the things we have to follow is sudden death of the partner, the resolution has to be taken. If the partner became inconcerned, it means illness, family issues or mentally, he can appoint another one as an auditor, another one as a substitute for him. Then we have to get the period permission from the central government as well as the company of the owner. So through this only the auditor can be removed. To ensure the fairness and protection of the auditor independence, the auditor must give the reasonable opportunities of being heard. If he is removed in the meeting, he must possess certain problems or he must possess certain fraudulent activities among the company, and he must the board of members has a power to remove the auditor in the case of resolution, special resolution passing by in the company, and then before the tender notice has been given to the auditor that they are going to remove the auditor from the terms and conditions, with the period approval from the central government. We have to get an approval from the central government where applicable with a proper reason. Auditor must given proper opportunity to hear about the before have to intimate it while passing that through the board. Before the we must has to inform to the auditor about the removal. So thank you. In next video we will see about the next topic related to it. Thank you.